Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and in this video we're using simple ingredients to make pomegranate salad dressing. Here we go. For this recipe we're going to use some apple cider vinegar. We're also going to use some olive oil. We're going to use some Dijon mustard, some pomegranate juice. This pomegranate juice is mixed with cranberry, and that's okay as well. And I have some honey here to use as well. Okay, so this is a simple ingredients that we're going to use to make pomegranate dressing for our salad. I just want to third of a cup of juice. Yeah, this is pomegranate juice, nice and purple. I need the same of olive oil, and this is extra virgin olive oil. Oh yeah, this is going to be a nice flavor. I need a quarter cup of the apple cider vinegar. Oh yeah, okay, it's coming together, guys. It's coming together. We just need 2 teaspoons of mustard, and this is Dijon mustard. One, and then the other one in here, 2. Oh yeah, and then I need 1 tablespoon of honey. We want the honey for a little bit of a sweetness, right? Just 1 tablespoon should do. Right. All right. And then I need some salt. Right. And then I'm gonna get a whisk. And I'm gonna whisk this together. Yep. This is when you want to taste it to make sure that the taste is good. I need a little bit more salt. When we're ready to use this, we're just going to shake it or mix it around again. I like it like that. I remember the pomegranate salad dressing that we made earlier. I'm just going to pour a little bit over it. And that's it. Delicious. Go out, my friends, try this recipe and let me know what you think. I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.